So here is the second question from the portfolio session 4. Xmarks.com is a major internet company specializing in organic food. Xmarks.com is thinking of purchasing GoodGrow, another organic food internet company. GoodGrow has current revenue of $100 million with expenses of $150 billion, which is going in a loss. Current projection indicate that GoodGrow's revenue are increasing at 35% per year and its expenses are increasing by 10% per year. Xmark.com understand that projection can be erroneous. However, the company must determine the number of years before GoodGrow will return a profit. We need to help Xmark.com determine the number of years required to break even using annual growth rates in revenue between 20% and 60% and annual expenses growth rate between 10% and 30%. You have been provided with the template to assist with the analysis. So this is expected output for the project 2. What we're gonna do here, go to the Excel. Okay. Now we are calculating the expected revenue, then expected expenses according to if we take the year 5 here. First, we go with the best cases. To calculate the expected revenue, we are using the formula with a bracket, then revenue multiplied by the revenue growth, then multiply by the years, bracket close, plus the revenue for the that year. So here we got the answer. Calculate the expected expenses. Now we again use the formula. The expenses multiply by expenses growth multiply by number of years, then plus the expenses of that particular year. Then there is a expected expenses are more than the expected revenue. If we change the year from 3 to 4, we get the result. Then sum we get the is equal to our total profit, then revenue for minus expenses. There's only $10,000 total profit. If we calculate the expected revenue here for the 5 years, we can put the formula here. Revenue at 6 multiply by revenue growth, F8, multiply by total number of years, bracket close, plus revenue of that particular year, 30,000. No. So this is the sum of the expected revenue. Now moving to the expected expenses, applying the formula again. Expenses multiplied by expenses growth multiplied by total number of years, then plus expenses of that particular. So here is also, if we calculate the expected revenue here for 10 years, again formula C6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by total number of years, bracket close, plus revenue of that year, 30,000. So here the expenses, again the formula is equal to bracket expenses multiplied by expenses growth multiplied by the number of years, then bracket close, plus expenses of that particular year. This. So if we see there are some variations here, so we can do some changes so that we can get the same result. We can put 3.3 here, a little bit more. Oh, okay. This is the expected result of the portfolio question, which is given the sample output. Here we got the result.